How about this one? I feel like I don't matter to you.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a real good
I
one.
feel like we never do anything.
Yeah. I feel like you never take me anywhere.
Oh, that's a great one as well.
That's right.
I feel like you're not doing your part at our house.
Yeah. I feel like you don't shower enough.
It's just endless what
Yeah,
you're
it
doing.
just can keep on going and going and going. But the problem is, there's no feeling word there.
There's not a feeling word whatsoever. It's a thought. It's a belief.
So you might as well just say, "I think that," because you're putting that on the other person or trying to make them feel bad
Yeah, it
for
really is.
something instead of trying to help them understand. This is really making me feel sad.
Yeah.
Or I feel hurt when you do this.
Yeah, that's the perfect way to do it. I feel